Welcome, Tim Kids Studio!
Drip, drop, drip, what do you hear? Rainy little raindrops are dancing here. Grab